what?
That I didn't get a coffee, but it would have made me sick.
Oh. Alright, we're heading.
What? I had a...
You making fun of me?
No, no.
Alright.
So we're heading up.
What do you want, water beer? I'm going to a cave. Bye.
Cave.
Oh, someone else is pulling out at the same time. So yeah, we're gonna head over to a cool cave. We're gonna be driving through kind of the northern edge of the Ozarks, northwestern edge of the Ozarks, I think. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy some of the cool views in the drive. And then we'll be at a cave, so it'll be fun. Julia's crocheting. She's an old lady. She makes some really cool stuff though. More on that later. of Lake of the Ozarks, which is pretty cool.
Slide right onto the ramp to Pier 31 Road, then turn right onto North Business Route 5.
Sorry, I thought I was filming there, but we're pretty close to the cave.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Bridle Cave Road, Lake Road 5 to 88G.
Yeah. Some pretty neat roads around here.
Turn right onto Bridle Cave Road, Lake Road 5 to 88G.
You want to go back and stop there? Okay, maybe when we get out of the cave it'll be a little less rainy.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Too bad I don't have an umbrella.
Yeah.
Alright, ready to go spelunking. Sorry.
She'll be on spot.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to Bridal Cave and Thunder Mountain Park. The 11.
Well, hopefully this hour is a nice hour rest. It's really pretty out there. I don't know if we go that way or this way.
We are going to go ahead and head through here. Remember, it is very short, and there are going to be 3 windows on the sides of the wall so you can look out while we walk through.
Ladies first. I'm glad I'm getting this video because I know my mom's not going to come through here.
Absolutely not. I should have multi-platform trucks.
Tennis shoes or what would you wear?
I was just joking, it's a little taller.
Oh, I didn't think of that.